Y'all ready?
Yes.
5, 2, 4, go.
Alright, look, come on. Lonely mother gazing out of the window, staring at a son that she just can't touch. If at any time he's in the jam, she'll be by his side. But he doesn't realize he hurts her so much. But all the praying just ain't helping at all, 'cause he can't seem to keep himself out of trouble. Goes out and he makes his money the best way he knows how. Another body laying cold in the gutter. Y'all don't hear me.
Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast. The little precious has a natural obsession for temptation, but just can't see. She gives him love and that his body can handle, and all he can say is, baby, is good to me. One day she goes and takes a glimpse in the mirror, and she doesn't recognize her own face. Her health is fading and she doesn't know why. 3 letters took her to a final resting place. Y'all don't hear me. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast.
Come on. I seen a rainbow yesterday, but too many storms have come and gone, leaving a trace of my one God gives the ray. You say because my life of 10 shades of gray, I pray of 10 fade away, seldom praise me for the sunny days. And like his promise is true, only my faith can do. The many chances I blew to bring my life to a new, clear and blue and unconditional. The skies of dry tears from my eyes, no more lonely cries. My only bleeding hope is for the folk who can cope with touching and enduring pain that it keeps them in the pouring rain. Who's the blame for tooting cane into your own brain? What a shame, just shooting name for someone else's friend. They claim they fame and they the same. It's time to fall and pray to ground. Just to watch a victim to your own mind. Dreams of hope is desperation and hopes to come in true. Believe in yourself. The rest is up to me and you.
Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast.
All right. Okay.